The trial of the decade in Kentucky, the Crystal Rogers murder case, will be heading to the jury by next Tuesday. The judge giving a brand new timeline for the trial today. Also front and center, the sister of chief murder suspect Brooks Houck. She was asked about hogs on the farm after that disturbing testimony earlier this week. Alexander Goldberg and photojournalist Aspen Hester have more on the defense and its day in the courtroom.
For the first time, defense is arguing their case. Witnesses testifying on Brooks Houck's side of the story. Rhonda McElvoy taking the stand for her big brother on trial for murder. Defense attorney Brian Butler asking, quote, "Did you have a hog farm in 2015? McElvoy says, quote, "No. What there was some little pink pigs with black dots on them." The courtroom showed photos of the pigs that looked to be about 40 pounds in size. McElvoy seen here walking through the halls of the Warren County Justice Center after going under oath. That testimony answering lingering questions about what animals were at the Houck family farm on July 3rd, 2015, the last time Crystal Rogers was seen. Earlier in the week, the disturbing hearsay about something Bardstown has speculated about for 10 years. Former Houck employee Charlie Girdley said Joseph Lawson, on trial for evidence tampering and conspiracy to commit murder, said, quote, "He would pull her teeth and the hogs would do the rest." McElvoy also testifying to why she secretly recorded her grand jury testimony. Quote, "I was paranoid. The whole family was paranoid due to the threats and accusations." In cross-examination, prosecutor Jim Lasowski asking if the Houcks had a meeting. She said, quote, "There was no meeting. It was due to the environment and circumstances. I felt the need to know what I did say and what I did not say, to have proof." Earlier in the courtroom, the 15-person jury heard the opening statement for Joseph Lawson. His attorney, Kevin Coleman, calling him collateral damage, dragged through the Commonwealth's attempt to prosecute Houck. Doubling down, quote, "Joseph Lawson is not guilty." Coleman says, quote, "As far as Joey Lawson's case goes, there's no forensic evidence that Joey Lawson was in that car." Judge Charles Sims telling jurors to expect final witnesses Thursday, and then the defense resting its case. In Bowling Green, Alexander Goldberg, WHAS 11, on your side.
And tomorrow, July the 3rd, marks the 10-year date of when Crystal Rogers was last seen. Defense attorneys called their own cell phone data expert. He testified today that cell phone data from Steve Lawson's cell phone, again, Steve Lawson already convicted and sitting in prison, shows that there is no way that he or his son Joseph Lawson could have been on the Bluegrass Parkway where Crystal's car was found. Instead, he says their data shows they were actually on Boston Road, which is north of the Bluegrass Parkway. This contradicts what Steve Lawson actually said on the stand in his own trial. WHAS 11 News legal analyst, Louisville attorney Nick Mudd explained during our 30-minute special tonight on WHAS 11 Plus why that does not matter in this case.
Remember, Doug, remember, here's the thing. Two things. Number one, the conviction against Stephen Lawson, the jury does not, cannot, will not hear.
And they don't know what
they don't know it. Number two, Stephen Lawson's statement cannot, will not, shall not be played in this case, and the jury will never hear about it because Stephen Lawson's not going to testify. He gets on the stand, play away, but he's not getting on the stand.
All right, to see our full analysis plus more updates from today in the courtroom, you can watch our daily breakdown streaming right now at WHAS 11 Plus. Download on your TV and watch for free.